Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these Terry's chocolate orange cookies. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into your mixing bowl place your granulated white sugar and your light brown sugar, followed by the butter, and mix together until they are lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. This only takes a couple of minutes, so please take the time to make ensure that it's lighter and fluffier. Once you've achieved the lighter and fluffier, you can then go ahead and add in your egg and mix it in until it's fully incorporated, not forgetting to add in your vanilla extract followed by your orange extract. Feel free to use a good quality paste like I did, but then just give your bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Then you can go ahead and add in your dry ingredients, so your flour, your cocoa powder and your chocolate chips, followed by your Terry's chocolate orange, which has been roughly chopped. And then don't forget, if you've got some of those Terry's mini eggs, add those in and mix on a low speed until a dough forms. Being careful not to overmix, as you do not want a tough cookie, and overmixing will ensure that happens. Now you can go ahead and grab yourself a baking tray which has been lined with some parchment paper, and then just start to scoop your cookie dough up. So this recipe will make around 6 cookies, which are quite large cookies by the way. So take a scoop and then just move it between your two hands just to warm up the dough a little. Smooth it off into a ball, then place onto your baking tray, and repeat the process with the remaining cookie dough. As I said, this will make around 6 cookies, so you should be able to fit them onto a standard size baking tray, as they do spread a little while they're baking. So straight from the oven, you'll want to go ahead and finish the cookies off. So I like to place a piece of Terry's chocolate orange, or a segment, onto each cookie. Then I use some of these mini eggs, which are Terry's chocolate as well, and just place about 3 onto each cookie, but feel free to use more or less or decorate them however you like, it's really up to you. Repeat the process with all of your cookies until they have all been finished. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description, there'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.